chances with on. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the vibe. Lovers the girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up.
What's up, everybody?
What's going on now?
Asia here.
Jeff in the building.
And we are
The
Poppin'
Couple. Now today, guys, we got a little bit of a mail haul for you. We have one from Galactic Toys and a mystery box that we have no idea what it is. So,
Do we not know what it is because it's a mystery box or because we ordered it so long ago?
well, it has no information on it, so I really don't know what it is. So, it's going to be a mystery to us both.
All right, let's get started.
All right, so this one's from Galactic Toys. Now, this one I know exactly what it is because it's one of my favorite DBZ characters in the DBZ universe. And it's one of the most iconic characters. What do we got? I can't wait. Anticipation is killing me. It's killing me. Super Saiyan Gohan!
You did it. My son is a Super Saiyan.
Protector box.
And it comes in a protector. Yes. Ordered this soon as I saw the pre-order for this Super Saiyan beauty. I had to have it. I had to. There was really no ifs and buts about it. My favorite character in DBZ. I really hate that they went the route of, diminishing his powers or his, forcefulness. Because, let's face it, he was the first Super Saiyan too. But, yeah. Defeated Cell. Happy to have this in the collection.
Please tell me more.
So yeah, he has two other forms. They have the training one.
I really know nothing about Dragon Ball Z. That's why when we opened it, I was just like, ooh,
Who
cover.
is this? It's like, I like the protector. Nah, I mean, I am so, literally when I saw this, I was, beyond belief.
You should take that away from me.
How do you have this, woman? How? So yeah. So yeah, again, guys, I was too happy not to have this, even though they put this kind of backwards. But outside is look at get a better view, so you can get a better view. Better view. What do you think about the paint?
His hands are crusty.
First thing she catches.
That's honestly, like I said on a previous video, whenever the character has their hand in focus, in front of them, they usually end up crusty.
Yeah, it's a very tough thing to endure, it seems.
His hair is on point.
It's on what?
On point. On fleek.
Yeah, there you go.
You're annoying.
Yeah, I love the Super Saiyan hairstyles. I think they're amazing. But yeah, I'm definitely getting the rest of these. Waiting for Super Saiyan 2 to come in. Don't know when that's gonna happen, but yeah. Super Saiyan Gohan. Next, we have...
Ooh, I like opening the boxes.
She will be opening the boxes. Oh, it has a nice little heart on it.
That's good.
Oh, what is it? It came in the mail with a nice little heart. So yeah, guys, again, I have no idea what this pop is, and I'm sure she doesn't do ordering online. So,
I don't.
So yeah, so we'll be this will be a mystery for us all. What is it? Oh, the Biggie Pop. I completely forgot about this.
So did I.
Of course, it's in a protector. Ooh, look at baby. Is Brooke? Oh, the protector on this is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, this was definitely from Toy Tokyo. I remember now ordering this. BPH, for some of you who don't know, the bearded pop hunter.
Okay.
Messaged me on Instagram and sent me a link of the restock that came. And I was like, oh, thank you so much. And yeah, got right on, ordered it, and I forgot all about this pop. What'd you think?
It's pretty cool.
Old school
the
Biggie
paint.
flow.
I like the paint.
It's phenomenal.
Yeah.
The Gucci glasses.
I wouldn't think like his necklace. Usually those end up a disaster, but that's actually really really cool.
Yeah, the jacket is phenomenal. The pants with the Timbs. They did a phenomenal job, and I'm also really. This protector is amazing. Like it's not.
It's not bubbly.
No, it's not, and it's
like,
very solid.
It's
like,
form fitting.
For a pop like this, iconic pop. Wonderful job. It's not a pop stack, but it's the closest thing to a pop stack you can get. So yeah, that is phenomenal.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I love this. Biggie's my favorite rapper of all time, hands down. No one above him. I don't care what anybody has to say, unless it's her. But yeah, Notorious.
Brooklyn, baby.
For my extent of the my
Hip-hop
music,
culture.
yeah. Like if you listen to it, then I most likely listen.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't like being in charge of the aux cable, if y'all know what I mean.
that I give her full control of an aux cable because I'll listen to. I mean, I'm diverse when it comes to music.
So am I. That's why I'm just like, all right, let's play shuffle.
Yeah,
Pandora shuffle.
I listen to everything, so
Same.
I don't mind.
Me too.
Don't you start this Me Too movement. All right.
A few moments later.
Okay, Jeffrey.
Love me.
I do love
Love me.
because I guess I'm smiling.
All right, guys. Well, these are our pickups from the mail. So yeah, I'm very happy.
I'm very happy for you and us, and I like this one. I don't know what that is, so I like
And he's
this
wearing
one.
burgundy.
I do like burgundy.
And you're wearing. Wow.
Yeah,
Did you plan this?
of course I did.
Did you know what was in that box?
Yep, mommy knew because she's the one that gave me the shirt.
This is true.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Notorious. Notorious. So happy. All right, guys. Well, that's the video. We hope you enjoyed. Hope you like our diverse pop selection that we got in front of you.
So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for the ring and ding ding.
Boom, 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 boom. But before we forget, Asia has something for you guys.
All right, joke of the day. Let me think. Which one do I want to use?
Come on, I know you got something cooking up in there. What you
Which one
gonna do?
gonna use? Which one 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 gonna use? I didn't think. How much does it cost a pirate to get his ears pierced?
How much?
A buccaneer. Get it? A buccaneer, a buck, an ear. Ma, why you popping your bubble behind the little camera? You pop your bubble really loud.
She's just trying to keep it popping, that's all. She's just letting the crowd
Letting
know
part of the
what
party.
this channel's all about.
What's it all about? What's
What's
it all about?
What's it all about?
What's it all about? Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Welcome to 2019.
Yeah!
And we are
The Poppin' Couple. Now, guys, we hope you enjoyed another epic video.
Don't forget to join the Poppin' crew. Stole your line.
You did, but it's okay. Because we're
Have
a
a
dynamic
wonderful
duo. All right, guys, we'll see you later.
See ya.
Peace.
Peace out.
Cubs go.
Girl Scout.
Cubs go.
Girl Scout.
Cubs go.
Girl Scout.
Cub. Why do you have to be so angry? Girl Scouts.
Bye.
Later.